Hi friends, it's Dave from Dave's Retro Repairs, and I just wanted to give you another quick video about this Konica Big Mini BM302 which I picked up recently. It was comprehensively busted, however there was a great online tutorial that I just wanted to talk about quickly from a guy called Noel Gallimore, and this is his YouTube video page there, and I followed very simply the Konica Big Mini LCD cable repair video that he has, which is a 9-minute zeitgeist of the entire process, which was what I suspected was wrong with this particular unit, having seen a couple of photographs, and I've actually been proven right, which is excellent. So I will make a follow-up to this about how we I'm going to shoot some Ilford FP4 Plus through it, and hopefully I'll be able to give you an update video of how it performs. Okay, if that's of any use to anybody, or you want a bit more information about it, then please drop me a line. Thanks very much, take care, bye for now.